my name is Melissa and this is Nolwazi, and we're going to be telling you guys about our test driving experience.
So I had the privilege of test driving the Mazda BT50. Now, as you know, the previous versions were really not that great.
Thanks, my guy. Brilliant. So I got to drive the Ford Ranger FX4. Amazing drive, just by the way. At first though, when I looked at it, I was like, oh my god, how the hell am I gonna drive that big car? But funnily enough, I got in there and it felt like it fit like a glove.
It's powerful. Like, that's all I can say just in terms of description. But I'm even just listen to that. Just listen. Like, going up a mountain is not as daunting as you think it is. But I'm sure if anyone is watching from the outside, they'd be like, whoa, what a car. To an animal, I'd say like a bear crossed with a cheetah, because it's also super fast as well. Goes to from like 0 to 100 real quick. But it's also like you're comfortable in it, you know. You got that comfort. You're able to not feel like you are in a typical van or bakkie.
This car is not as comfortable as I wanted it to be, but it's really easy to use and easy to drive. I wouldn't recommend it for the city because it feels like there should be a lot more power. Well, yes, there's a lot more power and you can't use the full potential of the car when you're driving in the city. But as soon as you drive it off-road, it's able to take quite a lot of inclinations, which is really nice. And yeah, I think it's really cool to take a lot of people, like your family, on your weekend away. It's not as luxurious inside, but like I said, I think it's a very practical car.